Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safely sitting at home, enjoying your unexpected vacation. Today, we will have the third part or third lesson of our chapter 11, Light, Shadows and Reflection. Today, you will learn about how does light travel or how does it propagate. You have till now learnt about what is light, what are the various sources of light, the luminous and non-luminous objects, and you have learned the various terms or definitions related to light. So today we will learn about how does light travel or how does it move, how does it propagate. Right? You will get it a better understanding through a small activity that we are going to perform. Now let us perform a very easy experiment. For that you require a rolled chart paper or a pipe or a hollow tube like this. Alright, and the second thing is a lighted candle. So now let us do it. Now hold the hollow tube or the pipe in front of the flame of the candle. Are you able to see the light? Yes, the light or the flame is visible to you easily. Now take a bent tube or try to bend the same tube and again try to see the flame of the candle. Are you able to see it now? No? Yes, you will not be able to see the flame of the candle. Alright? So children, what did we conclude from the activity? That if the tube was straight, the light rays could easily reach our eyes and we were able to see the flame of the candle. But if the tube was bent, the light rays could not bend, could not curve and reach our eyes, and the flame of the candle was not visible to us. Right? So this tells us that light always travels in a straight line. Take another example. Take a book in your hand and take a torch. Right? Shine the beam of the torch on the book. What will happen? Yes, light will not be able to pass through the book because it is opaque. And also light rays cannot bend and go at the back. So what will we see? Yes, we will see a shadow behind the book. This also tells us that light always travels in a straight line, and this property of light is called as rectilinear propagation of light. What is rectilinear propagation? The property of light by which it travels in a straight line is called as rectilinear propagation of light. So what is rectilinear propagation of light? The straight line movement of the light rays. Rectilinear means straight line and propagation means movement. So light rays move in a straight line and this is termed as rectilinear propagation. This can also be observed when we see various phenomena in our day-to-day life, like the formation of shadows. You can see in the picture the light rays are blocked by an opaque object and it forms a shadow. Right? Formation of shadows, then the formation of your laser beams and torch beams, the projector beams all travel in a straight line. This also shows us rectilinear propagation of light. Then the formation of eclipses. You've done lunar eclipse and solar eclipse in class 5, right? So if the sun's rays bend around the earth or the moon, they will also not result in the formation of an eclipse. So eclipses also tells us that light always travels in a straight line. Next is the formation of day and night and the change of the seasons. All of them also tells us about the rectilinear propagation of light. This is the conclusion. So many everyday phenomena all tell us about the rectilinear propagation of light. I hope you all understood the topic very well. Right? Please go through the page number 135 given in your books. Page number 135 and 136 carefully from your books. You will get it more clearly. It is also in new books the pages are changed. So it might be page number 143 and 144. Right, in the new books. Now, on the basis of the lesson taught to you today, I hope you will be able to answer the questions given. First is definition of rectilinear propagation of light. Then, what will happen if an opaque object blocks the path of light? Give some examples from day-to-day life that tells us about the rectilinear propagation. Then draw the figure which is given on page number 136 or 144 in the new books. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Hope to meet you next time. Enjoy.